Hi, my name is Emily, and today I wanted to discuss some things I've learned in my FSHN 101 class at UIUC. In this video, I'm going to be slightly going through 5 different concepts I've learned in this class and tell a little about them. The first one I'm going to be discussing is fermentation, which before learning more about this in this class, I did not exactly know the true definition of fermentation. When I read over our e-text, I came across what happens during fermentation, which is where different microorganisms, when there is not any oxygen, turn the different molecules into acid, alcohol, etc. Another interesting I learned in this class is about soy products. A lot of people digest more soy products when they are vegan or choose to cut back on animal products in general. I learned that especially in males, though, consuming a lot of soy, which has phytoestrogens, can affect hormones and cause thyroid problems. They can also help with other things, though, like growing cells, etc. Something I learned early in the semester also was about how people cook things like ceviche as well. I learned that in this process, a process called acid cooking, which gives the food an appearance that it was cooked with heat when it was not. There is an acidic marinade where it would then help kill some of the bacteria that will now make the food safe enough to consume in a raw form. The process behind making this product is also fermentation as well, which I talked about before. Another food science topic we discussed a bit about with different food items was called the Maillard reaction, which, for example, would be used when making French fries. This process is where a protein and a sugar, or carbohydrate, break down to form a new compound, which will give that fry that familiar smell and taste. The last topic I'm going to discuss today is water activity. I did not know before that there was a scale on water activity or how it would affect different foods. We did an experiment earlier in the semester where we put foods together in different combinations and bags and let it sit. After a couple of days, we observed changes in foods that had higher water activity, made the other food have a different texture, and it affected the quality of it. Looking at the e-text and them talking about water activity with beef jerky, it is like which they made with. They must be careful in processing it to make sure that there is not too much moisture or too little or it'll go bad.